It's important to always be prepared for other drivers to make mistakes. By driving defensively and scanning the road ahead, professional drivers are able to avoid being caught in another driver's incident. Here we have an example of positive driver behaviour. By driving defensively and driving to the conditions, they slow down when they see the car approaching the intersection and take evasive action to avoid hitting the car. When you are the first vehicle off the line, it is important that you wait to make sure that vehicles are going to stop. Here, the driver is not in the wrong and has stopped when they see the motorcyclist. However, you should always check before moving off, regardless of whether you have right of way. When a vehicle is attempting to turn right, it is important to drive defensively in case that driver attempts to turn in front of your truck. Although the driver is not at fault here, slowing down in this situation would have reduced the severity of the incident. Here, the driver is exhibiting good situational awareness. The driver slows for the road maintenance on the side of the road. They react to the swaying for the vehicle ahead, detecting that an incident may occur. Slowing early and driving defensively has allowed the driver to avoid a collision. In summary, always drive defensively. Be prepared for other drivers to make mistakes. When you are the first off the line, make sure that vehicles are going to stop. Expect the unexpected, drive to the conditions, and be aware of what other drivers are doing.